Imagine holding a smartphone so powerful that it feels like the future just landed in your hand. That's exactly the vibe Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is bringing, and trust me, this one is not just another yearly upgrade, because from the very first second, Samsung is clearly aiming to redefine what an Ultra phone really means. Starting with a massive next-generation dynamic AMOLED display that's expected to be brighter, smoother, and smarter than ever, possibly hitting new peak brightness levels with adaptive AI that adjusts color accuracy and refresh rate in real time, depending on what you're watching or playing. And when you combine that with ultra-thin bezels and a premium titanium frame, the S26 Ultra instantly screams flagship dominance. But things get even more interesting when we talk about performance, because under the hood, Samsung is rumored to pack a next-gen Snapdragon or Exynos flagship chip built on an advanced process that focuses not just on raw power but smarter efficiency, meaning insane speed without killing your battery. And speaking of battery, this is where Samsung might surprise everyone, as leaks suggest a larger, longer-lasting battery paired with AI-powered battery optimization that learns your daily usage patterns, cuts background drain, and gives you all-day power, even with heavy gaming, streaming, and multitasking. And yes, fast charging and wireless charging are expected to be faster and smarter too. But now let's talk about the feature everyone is waiting for, Galaxy AI, because the S26 Ultra is rumored to take AI to a whole new level with real-time call translation, AI photo and video editing that feels almost professional, smart note summarization, voice-to-text accuracy that actually understands context, and an AI assistant that feels less robotic and more human. And when it comes to cameras, Samsung is clearly not holding back, as the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature an upgraded ultra-high-resolution main sensor, improved periscope zoom with clearer long-distance shots, smarter night photography, and AI-enhanced video stabilization that makes your handheld videos look like they were shot on a gimbal, making this phone a dream for content creators, vloggers, and mobile photographers. But here's the part that really keeps things exciting. Samsung is rumored to be working on exclusive camera AI features that may only be revealed at launch, which means what we're seeing right now might not even be the full story. And for gamers, the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a beast with console-level graphics, smoother frame rates, advanced cooling technology, and AI-based performance tuning that pushes power exactly where it's needed, keeping gameplay smooth even during long sessions. And when you add in 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi advancements, enhanced security, and Samsung's refined One UI experience, the Galaxy S26 Ultra starts to feel less like a phone and more like a powerful pocket computer, with Samsung expected to officially launch the Galaxy S26 Ultra in early 2026, likely around January or February, setting the stage for one of the biggest smartphone releases of the year. But here's the twist that makes this phone even more exciting. Rumors suggest Samsung could introduce a surprise feature at launch that hasn't leaked yet, something designed to shock the tech world and separate the S26 Ultra from every other flagship on the market. So if you think you've already seen everything, think again, because this phone might still have one final trick up its sleeve. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.